This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom duplex in Silvertip offers the perfect blend of privacy, space, and breathtaking mountain views, the perfect retreat for family and friends. So we've got south and west facing views right off your primary deck. And then we're into the main house where we've got over 2,500 square feet. This main level has an open plan with huge vaulted ceilings to take advantage of those views. And then on cozy winter evenings, you've got this beautiful Rundle Rock gas facing fireplace to keep you all nice and cozy. The vaulted ceilings give you a real sense of space in here, and then we've got this super functional kitchen, lots of cabinet space, beautiful gas stove on the island, so when you're cooking you can still pay attention to your friends and your family as they are sitting watching TV or hopefully helping you prepare dinner and set the dining room table. Another huge feature of this property is that you've got in-floor heat on all 3 levels, so you're going to keep those toes cozy all winter long. This duplex is perfect for 1-floor living. Just as we move back from the living space in the kitchen, we've got a great pantry on my left-hand side, a 2-piece washroom to service this level, and then we've got 2 bedrooms that both have walkouts to the beautiful private green space and the Silvertip golf course right behind us. The primary bedroom sits on the back of the floor plan on this duplex and backs onto that green space. It's really private in here and very peaceful. It also has a 5-piece ensuite washroom with a soaker tub. As we make our way up to the 3rd level, we've got this landing space that is perfect for either a reading room or a small office. And then as we get upstairs and to the 3rd level, we've got another lofted space with a small vaulted ceiling that again makes the perfect place for an office. The remaining 2 bedrooms in this duplex property are on the 3rd level. They've both got vaulted ceilings. We've got a 4-piece washroom just off to my left, and the bedroom right behind me has a very nice private deck. So the lower level of this property has your oversized double car garage. We've got lots of storage down here, but my favorite part of this house, being a man, is the man cave. It's perfect for either a bike workshop, a workshop, or even a home gym. Being a duplex, it also acts as an end unit, so you get those extra windows on the right-hand side to let in even more light and even more views of the mountains. And one thing of particular note of this property is the garage door. It's an 8-foot garage door, which allows you to have a car with a ski box that can just drive straight in. As always, thanks for watching. If you want any information about this or any other property in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.